wipe down everything. All this goodness. Okay.
I'm there.
Alright, well howdy everyone, welcome back. Cowser Girl here. So anyway, since we have to stay at home and got all this around, I decided I'm gonna sanitize the inside of my car. I already took the baby out for a wash and got it all cleaned up. Now it's time to sanitize the inside and make it look all purty and safe and clean to be inside. Sanitized. Let's get started. You guys gonna come and help me, okay? Daisy, you wanna help me? Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. We got hot soapy water here. Got this rag. Alright, it came unfolded. I don't want it unfolded. Woo! And we're just gonna wipe everything down. Oh, not too wet. There we go. And then yeah, Daisy, are you gonna help? Huh, babies? You gonna help mamas? Come on. No? Okay. So yeah, just give it a nice scrub, rub it. Cleaned up, wipe down everything. All this goodness. Okay. So yeah. So what are you guys thinking? Good idea to sanitize your car? Maybe hopefully you'll go out and do yours too. Clean it. Daisy. You silly girl. All you want is lovies, huh? It's like, Mom. Hey you guys, while you're sanitizing your car, you can start your little watch and show you. Right here. Start your watch. Like if you have a Fitbit or you have the Apple Watch or whatever, just start it. And you can get a good workout and burn some good calories. I'll show you guys at the end what kind of calories I burn doing this workout, okay? We'll show you. But it's a good exercise, good workout for this. Anyway,
It's a win-win.
win-win. Good tips. We've been doing this for almost 19 minutes. And I've burned 120 total calories.
It's not on.
120 calories, awkward position here. And yeah, see, you get a pretty decent workout. Look around the corner. You silly girl.
You shrink.
That's too close, jeez. All right. Oh, man. This is gonna be the cleanest the car ever been in a really long time. It's good though. Definitely feels good. Cleaning it all up. It's all good. Alright guys. Well, that's what I'm doing to kind of help beat this coronavirus. Sanitizing my car, keeping it clean, because you know what? Hey, we go to the store once in a while and we touch all that stuff in there, so why not? Plus it gave me a good workout. Let's see, it's 30 Siri. I didn't say Siri. No Siri. It's So it was a good workout. So anyway, I hope you guys liked the video and enjoyed. Maybe you got some good idea off of it and could do the same thing if you'd like. Leave a comment. Let me know what you're doing to help beat this virus and stuff, to sanitize around your house or whatever. Anyway, thank you guys. Have a wonderful time. Stay safe out there. And I'll catch you next time. Bye, you guys. Love you. Mwah. Bye.